More news coming in. Union Railway Minister's assured action as far as the rail sabotages are concerned. Incidents of sabotage. Ashwini Vaishnav says incidents with intent to sabotage trains, rail administration put on high alert is what we know.
देखिए, बहुत गंभीरता के साथ रेलवे का पूरा प्रशासन पूरी तरह से सतर्क है। सभी राज्य सरकारों के साथ लगातार संवाद है। स्टेट के डीजीपीज के साथ, होम सेक्रेटरीज के साथ, एनआईए भी इसमें इन्वॉल्व है और किसी भी तरीके से किसी को भी जो भी कोई ऐसी दुर्घटना कराने की कोशिश करेगा उसके विरुद्ध कठोर कार्रवाई की जाएगी। ये हमारा संकल्प है और साथ ही साथ पूरा रेलवे प्रशासन इसमें पूरी तरह से सतर्कता के साथ काम कर रहा है।
All right, so this is Ashwini Vaishnav, the Railway Minister, essentially saying that action is going to be taken and that the Railway is monitoring the situation, saying that these are in fact incidents of sabotage. Deliberate sabotage is what the Minister has said. Remember, this comes at a time when several attempts have been made to derail trains, goods trains, passenger trains in India. And in fact, enough proof and more that they indeed were attempts at sabotage. Milind Sharma getting in more details on that story. It's a matter, Milind, of grave concern. Just 2 days ago, we had, a cylinder seen on the tracks just ahead of a goods train. The attempt is clear that the intention is to, in fact, ensure a sabotage, cause harm, cause injury, isn't it? And that's what the Railway Minister has taken cognizance of.
Sneha, surprisingly, these incidences have increased in the past few months, and we are looking at a rise in spate of instances where we are looking at fireworks-related detonators which have been found in some tracks laid just 1 meter apart from each other. And surprisingly, at the moment, there has been a case in Surat where it was found to be a case of mischief where the railway employees themselves pretended to derail a train by placing a rod or an object in front of a train. And these kind of incidences are being booked by the railways under the BNS Criminal Act or criminal conspiracy. But the larger question here is when the railway minister is saying that they have involved state DGPs, even the NIA is involved in this, then how far are people willing to take this kind of sabotage that is being seen on railway tracks, and how difficult is it going to be to actually monitor all these tracks throughout the length and breadth of India? What are the intentions of the people who are actually doing this to derail trains and to cause sort of panic? Because reportedly 6 incidences have already happened in the state of Uttar Pradesh in the past 2 months alone, and these are attempts at sabotage by placing rods or gas cylinders or detonators with the impunity. If people are doing this, then definitely strict action needs to be taken, and that is why the Railways Ministry is concerned because the topmost priority of the railways has to be attempts at lowering these attempts at sabotage and making sure that there are no accidents that take place and people's lives are saved, at least when we talk about derailments and accidents that have been in news as far as Ashwini Vaishnav's Ministry of Railways is concerned.
All right. Milind Sharma getting in those details. I'm going to leave it at that for the moment.